Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Bitcoin from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your crypto for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this transfer yourself. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and KuCoin. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. This is usually found in the Assets or Portfolio section. Select Bitcoin from your list of holdings. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be a button or a drop-down menu. Click on it to proceed. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Here's where it gets important. Copy your KuCoin Bitcoin wallet address. To find this, log into your KuCoin account, go to your wallet, and select Bitcoin. Make sure you're using the correct network, like Bitcoin's mainnet, to avoid any errors. Paste the KuCoin address into the To field on Uphold. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, but double-check that it's below your available balance and consider any withdrawal fees. Uphold might charge a small fee, so review that before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this through email, two-factor authentication, or your app's security settings, always a good practice for safety. After confirmation, the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head over to KuCoin and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, contact Uphold or KuCoin support immediately. A few quick tips. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, keep an eye on gas fees or network costs, as they can fluctuate. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only withdraw what you're comfortable with. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Bitcoin from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.